Hi everyone, DesignChickee here. Guess what? This channel now has more than 10,000 subscribers. I'm so excited to have such a huge YouTube family. I can't even believe it. I still never thought I'd have 100 subscribers, so having 10,000 is seriously blowing my mind. So I'm sending you all big internet hugs for subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. I'm so glad you're all on board and that you all love interior design just as much as I do. Thank you for all your comments and questions too. In fact, these days I get most of my video ideas from you. So if you've got a burning question about something specific, or if you need me to clarify some sort of interior design theory, please let me know. And with that, I think it's time for another official interior design Q&A video. So if you have a design dilemma, you can leave your questions here in the comments below, or you can send them to me via Twitter at DesignChickee. Twitter is great because you can attach your photos to the tweet. You can't attach photos here on YouTube, sadly. And the more information I get from you, the better I can help you. So send them in and I'll gather them all up and answer your questions in an upcoming video. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm beyond excited to have you all following along. I can't wait to share more of what I love, which is all things interior design with all of you. From design lessons to interior design tips and real-life design projects that I'm working on, it will all be right here. And I can't wait to help you with your real-life design dilemmas too. So get your questions in and I'll see you very soon.